doing?
So that's how they eat it.
Okay, give me. Why do you pull down?
That's how.
That's how.
This one.
Yeah, that's how.
Don't save this one. Don't. Okay. Oh, Romeo.
All right, Romeo. All right, guys, we got a birdhouse.
Now how would it come? How would it come now?
It's okay.
They will come, don't worry.
What you mean?
Interview. Eliza, what is going on here? Interview.
We making dinner.
We making dinner? Wow. Look at that. What is going on over here, guys?
Oh my god.
You got some dinner action here. Look at that, guys.
My cut was so beautiful, guys.
Huh?
What?
I'm supposed to like smash it, that's why.
Yeah, no
but
need
my mom was making me cut it, so I gotta cut it now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here with another episode of What's for Dinner, guys. Yeah, we got Mr. Romeo over there playing with his VR, and we are in the kitchen, and this is the first time I've ever seen Eliza cut away. Is it? Right? Nah, I think I've seen you cut away before.
You see me cut away before.
Oh!
That's too small.
It's Mr.
You have
Mr.
to-
Ethan boy.
Oh, no,
I told mom, but she said just
No,
cut it.
you don't need to do that. You have to like,
No.
you have to crush it.
Oh my god, my battery's low, guys.
Be quiet.
My battery's
I
low.
like that. I like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, but
Yeah? Oh yeah?
Maybe just like
yeah, me and Laza made this one thing at Boys and Girls, and Mom like really liked it.
Yeah.
Now she's like, okay, let's go big safe. We go grab the stuff.
Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Well, I'm anxious to
like this.
take a look and see what's going on here,
Okay, like that.
and anxious to taste it.
Like that then.
What?
So what we got here, guys? What we got here?
Imitation crab.
Some imitation crab. What's this right here?
Yeah, the pokey.
Oh, we got
Like
poke
this.
here. That's, okay, that's for me.
Not included.
Yeah. All right. So I am filming
And then you need
4K,
something
guys.
to put
4K,
it-
24 frames per second. I don't know how it's going to come out. I know it's kind of dark. I got it on 1600 ISO already, guys. So I just finished work. I don't even have the what do you call this?
Dice it, and then
Microphone on the
just
top. I think I'll
crush
put it.
it. Oh, why don't you just dice
But
it and then
there we go, guys. Here we go.
Maybe you can put right here.
What do you mean dice it and crush it?
like how we did it. We diced it and then I just
What? You gotta what, Ethan? What you gotta do?
oil it so then the rice doesn't stick.
We're not
Oh.
putting rice only like that only.
What? Oh, you don't like rice?
No, you gotta put rice.
Huh?
You gotta put rice. I know what you guys trying to do already.
No, they just bake like that and then separate. No need put
But
rice.
the rice is the best part though.
Yeah.
Later, that's why when you cook the one and then you just grab your own rice to put it.
My mama's not gonna have the taste.
No, I don't like that.
What? Don't you want the rice a little bit crispy?
Don't you eat
No, it's not crispy.
No, it's soft good.
Soft.
Mm.
No
Do
need.
we have rice though? That's the
What?
question.
No,
It's
no.
no. Ay.
Hmm?
Oh, cook rice.
Put-
Ah, you're in charge of the rice, boy. What's the matter with you, fool?
Me and lunch.
But why are you
Yeah.
blaming me now? I just did my job.
Yeah, don't blame her.
I said me and you are supposed to be in charge of it. That's just me.
What? I thought you guys. Are you guys switching this month?
No. You said we're both in charge of this.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever. Me too. I cook too.
Yeah, mom cooked too.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta put rice. The rice is like the bed.
No, you don't need
That's just weird then, this that stuff.
Yeah, why don't you do it like how I'm supposed to do it, Jess? Oh. Let me put the microphone on. Hmm? What we got here, Jess?
Holy
Oh,
camole.
we
man.
don't
put the salmon in like that.
Huh? What?
Mom, don't put the salmon in yet.
You're not supposed to
We're
put it in
gonna
yet.
put this. What you gonna put underneath?
You gotta cut the salmon.
You're using all that salmon?
Yeah, Jess, they're the one who cooked it at Boys and Girls.
Oh, cool. Why don't you tell mom first?
Just put it. Just put it right there. I wash it this
Oh,
way.
yeah, just leave it there for now.
Leave it there.
I don't know why you're snapping at mom. She don't know what.
You should play pretend. No, we gotta cut that first.
No, you said we don't snap at. Wait. In the boat?
Hey, guys, what's up here? What's going on?
Huh?
What is going on here? Nice. All right, guys.
Oh.
Careful.
Careful, you hand.
All right. Good job, guys. The cooks are in the house. Is this a monster?
No, I'm fine.
Oh.
Where's the rice? Where I go open the open.
What? Open the open. My goodness.
I'm not looking for rice and open.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so Eliza, what are you doing now? What's going on here?
I'm smashing the pieces.
Smashing the pieces. All right.
Yes.
Where's the rice?
Quick, you
What's
just have to
for
eyeball
dinner?
it for the mayonnaise.
Guys, check out how big these. What are these? Tangerines or what? Look at that.
Tangerine.
Holy camole, guys! Look how
Okay, wait, calm down.
look at that. Look how big these tangerines are. They're like orange size already.
Right there, more big.
Wow!
They are.
Holy camole! Look at this, guys. Huge tangerines. And what is this right here, guys? Unagi sushi sauce.
Yeah,
So is this part of the
Yes.
that's what you just
this
on top.
this dish?
Wait, is there food or coffee?
Can you wait?
No, I'm asking.
Yeah, the chef is asking there.
This is
The furikake.
the foodie coffee. Put a coffee.
Furikake? All right. Oh, look at him go! Look at him go.
Oh my god, Daddy.
No one cares. Nah, just kidding.
Look at that. Got some 4K action over here, guys. Should do some ASMR time.
goodness.
You guys know how to do ASMR
It's
time?
juicy.
Alright, guys.
Like,
What we got here? We got some
don't know
ahi
how.
pupuy nuts.
Eyeball.
you don't use any
poke it?
measuring. You
That
just put how much you
This
think is
one?
good.
And I use this one to cut
So let's go sample
salmon.
this right now.
Oh, it's not open yet.
Ooh, look at that, guys.
There's open there.
Okay. Grab a fork.
Hey, anyone can hear me? Let me do all these ones first.
Okay, let's
You want me to cut the
give it a
slice
try.
the salmon, all the small pieces?
That's a big
Uh,
salmon for
yeah.
just this much.
I think you only need 2 salmon, Mom.
It's
2 whole salmon? No, we just need like a half of it.
because we like balon.
Good.
Okay, okay.
That's good.
Oh, my screen is broken, guys.
So then I can do it.
Upside down.
Move your hand.
Let's go like this.
I gotta get the small pieces.
See what I'm doing?
He moved them.
Hope you guys washed it.
Move. He did not.
My hands.
I
I
did.
just came out.
He just came out of pooping there.
Hey,
No, I didn't.
you better wash your hand, huh?
Oh my god. Okay, this one is here.
He get exposed.
I think we just washed your hands.
For sure.
Good.
See how fast that was?
Salmon.
Teka, hold on. I'm gonna go grab the green, yeah, the green onion.
Yeah, ma.
Oh, teka, sandali.
I'll cut it.
Huh?
I'll cut it.
Okay, hold on.
Where'd you guys get the salmon from?
I just my stuff.
Oh, you
Costco.
stopped? Oh, okay. Cool. Nice. Look at that, guys.
Ah, you bozo.
Yeah.
Nothing here. There's nothing here. I think there's gonna be a lot.
Okay.
That's weird.
What is that, Ethan?
Japanese mayo.
What?
Japanese mayo.
There's no kind.
Yeah.
Where's the label?
No, it was on the plastic.
It was on a packaging when we took it off.
Yeah.
What makes it Japanese?
I don't know. It comes from Japan.
I got exposed once again.
Huh? What made it? What makes it Japanese?
Don't ask me. I don't know the culture behind this mayonnaise.
It's just the Japanese.
Aren't you the chef
I
here?
don't want to miss
Yeah, but I don't know everything about
Nah, he's not the
Japanese
chef. He
mayonnaise.
just hopped in and took my job.
You went over there.
Like, bro, get out. You ain't welcome.
Mm-hmm.
I'm better because I got my own chef.
Actually, my mom really liked my one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Very much.
We're gonna mix it this one. Guys. I'm gonna mix it.
What is that?
What's that now? Let's stop making it kind, Jess.
Oh, we're baking it.
From the bottle already. Do you see this? Oh,
What makes it Japanese?
I don't
is it?
know.
Oh, because it's so floppy. Oh,
Maybe because it just comes from Japan.
Yeah. What's the difference between that mayo and regular American mayo?
He's from Japan. No, just kidding.
Just from Japan.
It just tastes.
Smells
I don't know.
weird?
It tastes.
It smells weird, yeah.
No, it tastes.
that
smells
it?
weird.
I don't know. It just tastes better.
Okay.
Bruh. Are you
Alright.
calling America?
No, Japan literally has the best food.
I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking. You can put that.
Seto.
Okay, Jess. What'd you do? Where'd you get that from? What's that?
I just cut my plant.
Huh? Oh, you went outside to
Haircut.
haircut?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is fresh, guys. This is I guess from our.
Yeah, because we're better.
Oh, excuse
Oh
me,
my
guys.
god, that is. Oh, I know it says furikake, but it's not like the furikake that we use. Like,
Why? Because it's not from Japan.
no, because it doesn't smell like it.
Yeah, it's probably.
So this is from our garden, right, Jess?
Hey,
Nice.
it's not. It's not.
Check it out,
And
guys.
it looks more. It's not like all sprinkled kind. It's like a co-op.
Looks good, guys. It looks good.
Don't eat food from here.
Yeah,
This
close
guy
it.
just eats food from here. He got from big.
Is it from Big
Wait, is it?
Huh?
Food,
Okay, hold on.
Alright, guys,
Oh my goodness.
Got some 2 cups over
it has,
here,
like,
guys.
clumps. It's supposed to be just like the sprinkled.
2 cups. I'm gonna get some whiskey.
Hold on.
Sheesh, hold on, guys. Hold on.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
It's a raw vlog. Raw vlog. On to the lanai, guys. Here we go. Ooh, kind of closer. Okay. Alright guys, sorry about the bad filming. But, you know, once in a while I want to do these raw action, guys. Some raw vlog, raw filming, family time. The original content, like family content. But let me get some drinks over here, guys. No, I gotta increase the lighting. I think I have it on low. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. Okay, hold on.
Exactly.
I think I have to pump up the light here. I think it's on medium, 44%. There you go. That's better. Now you guys can see me. Let's get some whiskey going here. So, you know, most nights would love to enjoy a cup or two of good old whiskey, guys. Just like lemonade in hers, usually I just put a little bit on in mine. And you know what pairs good with oh shit, sorry, with with mine is I love to pair it with hold on, guys, there we go. I love to pair it with that, which is a cigar, guys. So there you go. That's mine right here. Autofocus is not too good. So I'm planning on getting the GH6, but that camera is like but it's about $2,000, guys. Whew. Man, if I get a few super thanks, then I might be able to get it. But for the time being, I can't afford it right now. Okay. So let's give that to Jessie girl. So yeah, that's mine right there. And this is Jess, so let's give this to her.
Then you need one package for your
Just a package.
one packet powdered sugar toppings.
Raw vlog, guys. It's a raw vlog.
Powder sugar.
Where you came from? There you go, Jess.
Well, how many the oil?
1/3.
1/3. What's that? Vegetable oil?
Here you go, Jess. Here's your drink.
2 eggs.
Thank you. 2 eggs. Right here.
1/3.
Hold on,
Wait,
sir.
where's
Hold on.
the vegetable?
One. What's that? Vegetable oil?
Yeah.
That way. Where is it? Outside.
Yeah.
Okay, go right here.
Vegetable oil
Where's
is
that?
not-
What? 1/3.
It's on the bench.
Stop.
1/3.
Outside on the bench.
Well, okay.
I know how to measure.
Wait, you have to smash.
I got my eggs.
Smash it in that one.
Smash it in that one. Smash it on your forehead.
Where'd I put them? Where do I smash my 2 eggs?
That's what I don't know.
Where I put my eggs?
Oh, I found egg.
What?
Again?
I cook it.
Oh yeah, you're 1 egg.
I eat it
Yeah,
already.
you found one again?
She
My
found
God.
1 egg.
So, what we got here, Liza? What is this? Furikake?
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah, Furikake.
That literally looks the
And
same
then
as
what
that
else?
one, and Quib was complaining
Oh, yeah?
that it isn't the same. I was like, bruh, cause does it smell like it's not from Japan or what?
That's not the right one.
Cause it's not from Japan,
I
guys.
didn't say it was from Japan.
What is that?
Oh, that's from Japan. I can just
Oh, okay.
smell it, bro.
Combine.
1/3. That 1/3 is like. We're not doing 1 cup.
1/3. Where's it? 1/3.
No, that's
There it is before,
Mom, where do I put that?
Well, that's 1 cup.
it's kind of one.
One.
We're
No, it's on the other
You
side.
have to mix it.
I will.
Yeah,
mix
what is that? 1/3 cup or what?
Yeah, it's 1/3.
Just
1/3 what?
1/3.
1/3.
1/3 what?
Just one. One.
Whoa,
I gotta
excuse me.
Where's the thing? Where'd it go?
What do you mean, where to go?
1/3 cup. Great. Yeah.
There, see? It says 1/3 cup. So you have to go to the cup.
Where is it?
No, that's ounce. That's ounce.
Oh wait, what?
It will get mixed.
Oh,
You gotta go to the cup right there. There's 2 cups. That's 1 cup. That's 3/4. So where's 1/3?
Slay.
1/3 cup.
Here, like over here somewhere.
Viewers are learning with us.
1/3 cup. Where is it?
What is that? What is that?
Idoling. I cannot even see.
Idoling.
What? My God, why you take it from me?
Put mommy's glasses. What you think? Oh my God, my eggs are shiny.
So where's 3/4? 1/3 cup.
Where's the 1/3? I cannot see.
Is 1/3 below?
But no more
Yes.
nothing libo. There, this one already. I got get give me.
Yeah, don't you have one that shows everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I cannot even see. I cannot even. Where's the 1/3? More worse this one too. I cannot even see.
Cup.
Right here, one 1/3.
That's not what it is.
1/3, cause 1 cup.
They said 1 cup and
They
1/3.
said 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup.
Where is it?
1/3 cup?
Yeah,
No.
right there.
Yes,
One
1/3.
See 1/3 cup. They never say one. See 1/3 cup.
So that's
Meow.
I cannot see.
1/3 is right here.
All the way at the
1/3
bottom.
cup.
What the?
So 1/3 cup right here.
Oh,
Mm.
this is small.
Yeah. What is that anyway? You guys mixing?
Oil.
Yeah.
Brownie.
Of course the oil's gonna be small.
No duh.
Oh my god.
Brownie.
Oh, brownie? Ooh, that sounds good. Even though we have all this.
Shush, that's just for
Mhm.
that's for yeah.
This is good too.
Okay.
It's good for like.
Hey, right there.
Good job.
Okay.
It's not. You didn't even put it. Put it.
Put it down.
Put it down.
Yeah.
Look at that. That looks
Cover.
like a lot.
Yeah, boy. What is this? Where's it?
Hey, wait, I can't see.
That is too much.
Yeah. How are you gonna measure it? Hey, Romeo, come this side, Romeo. Oh. What's going on, Romeo? Interview.
We need to make the bird house a little bit down, because the bird will come.
All right, guys. So we have a little birdhouse right there. So I don't know. The birds haven't been coming around because what? It's too close to the lanai.
Yeah, and it's too windy up here.
Oh well, they can handle wind.
Yeah, but
So where do you suggest then? Where? What
you should
place?
put it like over here then, because they always go here somewhere.
Where? All the way over there?
They always go here. Like that one right there.
No, it has to be hanging. It has to be hanging somewhere.
Yeah, like on the
Or
street.
maybe over there?
Like that tree right there. Those one of those trees.
Oh, it's kind of far though.
Yeah, but we can see still.
No, it's far. I want to see them kind of close. I
Like
don't know.
put it by a shed.
Maybe by shed, maybe. Maybe over there.
We put it right here.
How are you gonna see it from there? From here, I mean. I can't see it. Or maybe somewhere where, you know, while I'm sitting down, I can see the birdies. I thought over here would be good. Romeo, we gotta take down all these. Here, hold on, guys. Let's take these down. Alright, guys. So what are we making now? Dessert? You gonna make some dessert, honey?
Yeah.
Or you guys gonna make some dessert? Look at Eliza. Oh. Good job, Eliza. Okay. So it looks like Jess is gonna, or Jess and Eliza are gonna make some brownies, guys. Man. So yeah, guys, like I said, I want to upgrade our camera here. Right, Jess? Yes. The camera I want to get is called a G86, again by Panasonic. It's about $2,000, guys. Holy camole! So it's gonna give us some good quality. What I'm looking for is 4K, at least 60, because this camera here has 4K, but it's only 30 frames per second. So 4K would give us some awesome footage, especially in nature. And the G86 is weatherproof, guys, so I can bring it for example, by a waterfall and not be scared of ruining the camera. Right, Jess? So yeah, G86. So guys, help us out. If you guys want to donate even $1, hit that super thanks button and donate. Every donation counts. It'll go towards the new gear, hopefully, that we can get soon, and hopefully we can bring it to the Philippines. But yeah, it's G86 Panasonic. $2,000. Oh.
Right there. What? That's our stock mixer. Put right there. Good. Yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah. No, just don't shake it. Just use your fork. And then don't throw it up first because you're gonna.
Throw away.
I mean, maybe use it. Yeah.
What a nice
more.
mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come down now.
More.
Yay! Can't see from here.
Okay.
Hey, look over here, ladies. Yay! Good cooks. The cooks are in the house.
Okay. Slowly mix it.
The chefs.
For you one.
Here's something. Oh, you're preheating? Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I got somebody screaming over there. Alright guys, so there it is. What's this dish called, Jess?
Was eaten.
Looks like some sort of salad over here or something. You know? Let's go closer guys. Give you guys a closer look. Oh, what are you doing there now, Jess? What is that? What sauce is that? Alright guys, look at that. I guess it's some sort of Japanese dish.
Japanese dish, yeah.
And then we got some dessert here, some brownies. Good job, Jess. Wow. Holy camole.
I don't know. Ethan, that's it.
Alright.
Oh my god, this already.
Alright guys, so that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this kitchen, what do you call this? Cooking
You guys dish.
session. Whatever guys. Cooking session guys, or dinner with us guys. It's all good. Look at that. Looks good. We're gonna chow down. Looks good. Let me know down in the comments if you guys know of this dish, what the name of this dish is. I don't know. Seems like nobody knows here. And if you ever tried this. This is Japanese guys. So, say bye Jess. Peace out guys. Hit the subscribe button and the like and the super thanks. All that good stuff.